today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I am coming to you here straight from Singapore, Token 49 event, the biggest event in crypto. And of course, the question is Bitcoin starting its last parabolic bull run, as we've been talking about that recently? Is it starting it right now? We saw a crazy, quite significant move towards the upside, Bitcoin approaching the levels of 62,000. And if you are subscribed to the MMCrypto channel, this should not come with any surprise to you, because I was talking about the biggest chance of your life. This has never happened before for Bitcoin, pointing towards bullish movements for Bitcoin leading into the potential bullish month of October 2024 for Bitcoin. And yes, dear ladies and gentlemen, I have the feeling this could be the start. Let me actually quickly ask you, just before I go straight into the content, I will talk about my multi-million US dollar trade, which, yes, it's still open. I want to talk about imminent action I'm going to take on that trade. All I want to ask you before is smash up the like button, of course, to a new all-time high. But now let's go straight into it. Not only smash up the like button to a new all-time high, but also subscribe to the MMCrypto channel. What we can see here is this downward sloping channel. What I talked about before also was actually this one here, where you can see the monthly candles for Bitcoin coiling up here towards the upside and actually approaching the apex of this last potential break on the monthly candles, leading into the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin. Well, what if I told you that we are just so close for starting that move, which will lead us into the bullish month of October? What if I told you that this is one of the reasons why I'm still exposed in my trade? You can see here on the daily candles, Bitcoin is approaching, and I am not talking about the 67,000 US dollar price level. I'm not talking about the very important resistance at 72, which has to be broken. No, what I'm talking about, something which is just in front of us. The daily candles here and the horizontal resistance of the W pattern. If Bitcoin breaks 64,500, not even on a weekly candle, no, on a daily, with volume support, the moment we are breaking this, closing above, we are most likely going to knock out 67,000 and 72,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. In fact, let me show you my price target. By the way, before I do that, I want to talk about my trade. I want to show you my trade because so many people are interested. This is the Marina Bay Sands where the Token 49 is happening. I'm on my way to an event right now. But before I talk about my price target, let me show you my trade actually and what I am doing. I do put my money where my mouth is. And here you can see the Bitcoin trade is open, almost 100 Bitcoin in a profit. Beautiful 6 point something million US dollars, another 400,000 on the Ethereum trade. So we are back at almost 7 million US dollars in profits on this trade, realized and unrealized. That is beautiful, obviously. If you want to be trading as well, before I talk about my price target, do not forget, we have the 30,000 US dollar bonus back. Many people were asking, of course. And here you can see the bonus is back. I'll leave this link in the pinned comment in the video description. Click register deposit and you can get up to 30,000 US dollars in free bonuses on Bybit. Again, this bonus is back. So click down below if you're an experienced trader, click register, and after your deposit, you can get up to this bonus for free. What is my price target? What about my trade? Well, let me pull out the conservative price target on that one here. What you can see is if we are pulling this all the way from the bottom to the top, then you can see that the conservative price target is roundabout at 77,000 US dollars. And even though, like, chart wise, besides that measured move price pattern, this price target doesn't make too much sense, most likely if we break the 64, which is the horizontal resistance from the W pattern, we are going to break 67. We are going to break most likely 72,000 US dollars. And this is the real point of interest. This is what we want to break to confirm, boom, the last parabolic bull run of the Bitcoin cycle is finally starting. Let me know what you think about that, dear ladies and gentlemen. Of course, I'm very happy to come here to you from Singapore. It's really awesome. And I don't know if you saw that. Actually, I shared it yesterday. I was yesterday commenting karate combat with Mario, with Crypto Bitlord, and this amazing professional fighter on the left. It was a lot of fun. On my Twitter, you will find the recording of that specific event and me commenting. It was a lot of fun. Make sure you watch it. We will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye. Bye.